Hello and welcome to the homework video for week 13. So the first thing is to complete last week's hybrid, and that basically was to finish up the whole RISE workshop and submit the certificate. You need an 80% or higher to submit the certificate, and if you don't get an 80%, take the assessment again. Second, number 5 here, you'll see also finish up your lesson plan with the sound card. You're going to be teaching it in class on Tuesday, the 14th or the 16th. And you need to be ready with all materials for 2 peers as your students. Okay? The new learning is number 6, is on vocabulary. I gave you a handout. You're going to be cutting apart the Freyer model, and I handed that out in class. You're cutting it out, gluing it in the book on page 118. Here's a look at what mine looks like. You'll see that it's on page 118. Cut it out, glue it on. The next part says to read and take notes on an article. Here's the link, and it's on vocabulary. Open up the link, and you're going to be taking notes on this. First thing you're going to be taking notes on is, why is vocabulary important? And then the 3 tiers. You're going to put your notes on a handout that I gave you called, it was a tab, and it had vocabulary on it. Open up this tab, and the tab that I gave you in class, at the top you're going to put down, why is vocabulary important? There's a place for you to put your notes. Underneath that are the 3 tiers of vocabulary. Write down what is each tier and also include some words. On the very bottom you'll see that there's another box. This is for watching a video. And down here, here's your link to watch how she teaches just one word, discard. And I want you to write down all the steps she uses to teach that word discard. It goes really quick. So even in the first 10 seconds, she's already done a few things. Write down all the steps she uses to teach discard. When you're done, turn in pages 118 and 119, photos of those, and I will see you in class on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.